This is the channel Matthew.
5,000 Matthew.
5,000 Matthew 600.
That's right. 5,000 Matthew 600.
No, hold on. 5,000 Matthew
60. That's right. All right. What are we demoing today?
Today we have a 2004 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Z71 off-road 4x4. So 4x4, but it does say Z71 off-road. So today we're going to be doing that tour, start up, run the exhaust stator, show features on the interior as well as exterior, shall we?
Say that again. I missed that. One more time. Say that one more time.
Today we're going to give you a full tour, start up, run the exhaust clip, our performance data, show features on the interior as well as exterior, shall we? There's also a charger USB thing right there.
Oh, I think that's a trailer hitch hookup for the lights on the trailer, maybe? Yeah. It's probably a universal one.
If there's something behind them, they do this. So without further ado, they back. Sometimes whenever there's nothing behind them, they do this, like back up.
Yeah.
But if there's something behind them, they do this.
Oh, I'll see.
Without further ado, we'll go ahead and start up. Later on, shall we? Look. Like a silverish exterior. Dark gray cloth interior. Fabric interior. Fabric means cloth.
Yeah.
Go ahead and fire up, shall we? A Sony radio. This has 21,000 miles. Okay, now I don't know if I can do the motor but I am gonna pop. Just get the heavy salt way.
Here, let's move this fan. You stand on this cooler. All right. Here you go.
I can't.
Here. Get up on here. Stand up here. I got you. Come on.
It has the Vortex V8 engine in it. And pretty much what says SS lighting there. I don't know why, but okay. You can close it.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Is it time for me to demo it?
So what year is this?
2004 Chevrolet Silverado.
I see. Is it a four-wheel drive? You said that, didn't you?
Yes.
Okay.
Time for me to demo.
Are you done? Watch out. Jonathan, back up, please. Okay, so what channel are you again? 5,000?
5,000 Matthew 300. 60.
5,000 Matthew 60. So, do we need to like this?
Let me find the exhaust.
He moved it. It's up further up. You probably don't need to be under there smelling that. You know what I'm saying?
There's the,
Get up, you're getting dirty.
back there.
What channel again?
60. No.
5,000
5,000
Matthew 60. Okay, can we like you or subscribe to you?
Yes, subscribe and like
Thanks. Peace.